Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. We have some more Harbor Freight coupons for you. We have some tool deals to go through. One of them that I've actually posted twice before, and both of the previous times the item sold out when I posted it, and now it's back again. I would imagine it's going to go quick, but we'll get to that after the coupons. And before we can even get to the coupons, I have to mention something else, because I feel compelled through vindication, alright? So a couple of days ago, a little side tangent, and I told you guys that the post office overcharged me $2.87 for a package that I originally paid one amount, and then like a week later I get an email saying, oh no, you were supposed to pay more because you didn't do it right or whatever, right? Well, this morning I woke up to an email saying, boom, eBay Inc. shipping refunded $2.87 from your purchase on blah blah blah. Actually, it wasn't a purchase. That's today's date. But anyways, I got my refund. So after getting the original charge, I fired off an angry email telling them how stupid they are and explaining that I am right and you are wrong. And they finally agreed with me. So fuck off, post office. Tell me I'm wrong. If you're going to tell me I'm wrong, that's fine. But you better damn well be right then. Okay, now that I got that off my chest, this email came out yesterday from Harbor Freight. It's only 3 days, and we've talked about these 3-day sale coupon things in the past. We're going to try and get through it quickly. But one thing, it says rolling back prices. And I don't understand. One, does rolling back even mean down? It doesn't say rolling down prices, it's back. So back would be like, what, a previous date? Well, what if the previous date was higher? Anyway. This wasn't a good email, I'll just be honest with you. There's a few in here, but for the most part, not a good email. We have the compressor. There's another coupon available that expires on January 4th. Every date I'm going to give you is the other coupon and when it expires until you hear differently, okay? So, microfiber, coupon expires 12/12. The straps, 12/26. The flip light, 10/24. The batteries, 12/19. The miter saw, we have a coupon for $129.99. So here, we're rolling back prices. We're raising it $5. So we have one for $129.99 that expires on October 17th. The LED light, $12.26. The bulk storage cart. It's actually a good coupon. Although, I wouldn't buy this cart. If you need this kind of open storage, pay a little more and get the big Yukon cart. If you want drawers, either get the 4-drawer tech cart or the 5-drawer mechanic cart, even though that's getting expensive. But I think the 4-drawer tech cart you can still get for $99 with the coupon. It might be up to $109, but either way, I don't know. I don't see much purpose in this one. First time we have seen a coupon on this item since one that expired at the end of March, and that coupon was $97.99. So they dropped the price quite a bit on that one. The Movers Dolly. Another coupon that expires on December 26th, the Cobra, $9.30. The Air Hose Reel. We have another coupon that expires on September 22nd. These expire on September 23rd. Sorry for a somewhat obscure item. I didn't upload the coupon for 1 day of coverage, so if you want to buy this thing, do it now, or wait a week and another coupon will be out. The angle grinder, we had another coupon expires 12/26. The brick saw, 9/30. The electric winch, January 4th. The mover's blanket, 9/29. The hardwood workbench here, it's the only coupon available. It's always the same price. The tilting TV wall mount, another coupon for $14.99. $5 cheaper, expires December 26th. The blower, coupon expires 12/1. Brad's Flamer helmet, the last coupon for this item was in July, and it's always the same price. Side note, does anyone know why we call it Brad's Flamer helmet? There's a reason. I don't know if Brad knows, but it's Brad's Flamer helmet. I almost put that even in my coupon description when I was putting the coupon in. I thought, nah, too many people are not going to know what the hell I'm talking about. It's just going to go right over the head or tick people off or something. So I actually typed it the way it's supposed to be. The pop-up canopy. We have another coupon that expires 10/6. The solar rope light, another coupon expires December 5th. Multifunction tool, $9.30. Spray gun, $11.13. I also think this is in the parking lot sale ad, and something inside my head says it's $8.99 in the parking lot sale ad. But we have scans of that on the website, and I have another video on it that I'm sure says, but I didn't go back and look. And the step stool, we have another coupon that expires 12/5. So I believe there was only 3 coupons in this entire email that are the best currently available. I did not create a separate post on my website for it because for 3 coupons, I was like, what the hell is the point? But they are on the new coupons page on both the website and the app, so you can still find them there, or obviously they'll show up in search if you use the item numbers. So then I want to show you guys a couple of deals. Going to my website, struggleville.net. The DeWalt deal we talked about yesterday is still available. It goes until September 30th. You can get up to 20% off cordless DeWalt cordless tools. We also have another day of the spend 50, get 50 back on the Craftsman deal. And onto some new stuff here. Farm & Fleet has a DeWalt 3/8" reversible air drill for only $13.88. And if you look on Amazon, it is $53.84. So we have that, which is a great deal. eBay has a promotion that expires on 9/23. You get an additional 15% off a purchase of $25 or more. It's on all sorts of different things, but I created this link that filters to only tools that are in the promotion that are over $25, just so you don't have to sift through a bunch of things that aren't even included in it. You have to put Joyful Fall at checkout, in the promotion box. So there is that. One particular item, I listed this first because it was part of the sale, and I thought, well, let's just make a separate post with all of the stuff because everyone's got different things they're interested in or whatever. And it's only 15%, so it's not like it's this huge, great deal, but if something's already on sale and it's already a good price and you take 15% off more, maybe it's enough to trigger you to buy it. I have no idea. So the Rockwell 7 1/4" 12 amp lightweight spindle lock corded circular saw, it's only $32.29 in free shipping, which is super cheap price for a circular saw. But okay, I'm not super familiar with Rockwell tools. My drill that I've had for like a decade actually is a Rockwell, and I like it a lot. I've had no problems at all. At the time, it was very expensive. It's a 18-volt lithium ion, but it was back when that stuff was first coming out. I think I paid $200 just for the drill. And but the Shop series, I don't know, is that like the economy line of Rockwell tools? It just looks like it when you look at some of them, so it might not be the greatest thing. But okay, so that's that. Here's the reposted item I was telling you about. We have the Farm & Fleet DeWalt 10 amp, I said that right, 10 amp reciprocating saw. It's $31.88. So I posted this 2 other times, and both times that I posted it, it got sold out. They didn't have many available. I don't know why it goes sold out and then they find more. I don't think they're like buying one at a time and relisting it or something. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, Home Depot sells it for $89. Amazon sells it for $89. Farm & Fleet, you're going to get it for $31.88. Now the difference is Home Depot and Amazon will probably have free shipping on that, whereas Farm & Fleet doesn't have any promotions going on right now. You're going to have to pay plus shipping, which will probably be $10, but it still makes it like half price of the other ones. It's corded. A lot of people don't want corded these days, but that's a really cheap price for a quality DeWalt tool. And we have another Amazon DeWalt Bear tool, DeWalt circular saw. It's the cordless. And it's 50% off. It was $119. It is now $59.99. And the last one for this video, we have the DeWalt 20-volt max flex volt fast charger. Now it says compatible with both 20 and 60-volt batteries. Was $99. Is now $45.50 on Amazon. And, of course, free shipping, so great deal on that if you are in the DeWalt platform. So many deals are DeWalt-related, and I don't feel like it's intentional, but I don't know, maybe something's going on that I'm not aware of, that the prices are, all on sale and cheap. Maybe they're coming out with something new, or I have no idea. But a lot of DeWalt stuff, so. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Oh, and thank you for everyone who left reviews on my website on SiteJabber. I had put that in a comment a couple of days ago in a video, and some of you guys did that for me, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for helping out. I'll see you guys next time.